Alright, check this out. How to eat thistle. Thorns and all. I'm just teasing. We're gonna get rid of the thorns, of course. Let me show you what I'm doing. So, camera, right? So what you do is, you want to get younger thistle. Look, this is one I already removed most of the thorns from. Check it out. You want to grab it by the root. You want to get like pretty much close to where the leaves start, and then just chop just like that. And then you can take it and just kind of skin back any remaining leaves, thorns on it. Pretty simple. Woo. I get a little pokey on you. You can hold it by the root if you really don't want that stuff to poke you, but it don't bother me too much. Yeah, you see that? Now you can just kind of peel it off. But you see, that's why you go for the younger stuff, because it's easier to peel off. Younger shoots. The older they get, the more stringy and harder to peel. So hey, yeah, look at that. And you can even just kind of go with your knife, scrape off any outside skin. And after you do that, it's a vegetable. This is good to eat. Can you believe that? Look at this. Look at this, man. Good stuff. Kind of tastes like asparagus or something. Good little vegetable. These are really good if you just put a splash of vinegar on them, some salt. Oh yeah. People have been eating it for years. So, get spiritual, get sustainable, get out there, get foraging. And yeah, man, I got lots of little thistle branches to cut up. I'll show you when I'm done to harvest, huh? Cool. Look at that. Good eating.